NetSuite Release Preview 2022.1 Overview Sneak Preview. Alright, so you will see there's an overview button there on this new release portlet, and there's also the sneak peek. They basically give you the same page. Alright, so this is a high level page showing you the high level detail. In our next video we will get down to more detail. Right, so discover new innovations across NetSuite with 2022 Release 1. What's new? The Project 360 dashboard brings together all aspects of a project. So if you're using projects, this will be very interesting to you. Right, ensure there's adequate cash flow, the Cash Flow 360 dashboard. So again, cash flow, if you've got issues with cash flow historically, NetSuite has not been that great with cash flow, so I'm quite excited to see more of this, so I will make a video about that. New WMS features offer more efficient warehouse operations, including expanded tally scan capabilities and zone picking. New pack station capabilities to bulk pack and unpack, ship as is items, and easily review packing instructions help optimize order fulfillment process. Right, feature highlights for software companies. So if you're a software company, this will be of interest. The bulk customer payment features spares account receivable manager from needing to process invoices on an individual basis. Instead, payments can now be grouped and processed from multiple customers in one step. Very handy. Automate labor costing allocation processes with the ability to post labor costs to specific programs or projects that incurred the expense. Right, features, highlights for wholesale distributors. NetSuite WMS now supports zone picking for both single and multi-order packs. This picking strategy will increase picking speed by limiting picker movement in the warehouse and duplication of pick paths. Operations employees have access to a consolidated report showing forward and backward tracing of all lots. There are also new filters to sort this information so they can quickly find the data they need. Feature highlights for manufacturers. Supply chain managers can now create custom views of the supply planning workbench, a single page that shows supply and demand orders, and save them for future reference. NetSuite Quality Management now allows companies to reinspect items on demand outside of the standard inspection schedule through ad hoc, timed, or repeat inspections. Feature highlights for retailers. New vendor performance scores estimate how many days early or late orders will be based on that vendor's historical performance, with a confidence rating 1 to 100 assigned to each of those predictions. New first expired, first out Fifo allocation at fulfillment functionality makes it easier for operation employees to assign lots to lot numbered items, and now they can use Fifo to both allocate the ship in one process, eliminating an extra step. Feature highlights for service companies. The new customizable invoice presentation templates allow you to configure exactly the line item format that each client or even each project requires. Include detailed backing sheets on time posted to each consultant, subcontractor costs, and more. Project 360 that we mentioned above, dashboard delivers a unified project-centric control panel with suite projects that pulls data from across the entire suite and presents it in a workspace that's custom tailored to meet the needs of busy project managers. And the last one, feature highlights for non-profit organizations. Donors can easily make their contribution online via a payment link that can be added to the organization's website or email. Donations can also be designated as recurring and tagged to specific programs or initiatives. It's easier than ever to pair standalone intercompany credit memos and credit bills. This feature is especially helpful for those non-profit companies without a non-standard subsidiary. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy my videos. I will now go ahead to to the next video, and I will go and make more detailed videos about some of these topics.